Okay, so that's nasty, and I really hate to see brake fluid like this. So what I was doing is take a turkey baster that I use only for this, suck it out, get as much of it out as you can. Then what I do is I spray it down with brake cleaner. And I put brake cleaner on the brush I'm going to use. Then I clean the inside of it. Get all that crap out of there. As much of it as I can. I used to do this when I worked at Honda. If I did a brake flush, I would clean this reservoir so well that sometimes the customers thought I replaced it, because it looks so clean, and I really dislike that stuff. So then suck that up. You can see all the crap in here. Replace it with new brake fluid, and I take the little strainer for it. Oh, shit. Wipe everything off. Hook this doohickey back in. Damn, leaf out the engine bay. Look at that. How clean is that?